Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to upload wall art design on Printify. So go to Printify, create an account. On the left side, you have to tap on My Products right here. And we're going to look for wall art design. So I'm going to tap on Create Order. It will take you directly to the products in Printify. What you're going to do here is you're going to look for wall art design. You can go to the search more, type wall art, and you will see examples here. For the meantime, I can only see one result, but it's okay. We will be start designing with this one, and we will be designing our wall art using Canva. So let me tap this one and then click on start designing. This is what it looks like. Now this time I will introduce to you Canva. You can go to Canva, create a design, and then here you have to search for wall art or art design. Then you can select from any of the ratio or size right here. Edit your design and download. So this is it. Now we're going to tap on edit. Tap on edit above, and then we're going to upload the wall art that we have created using Canva. So let's just say that you have created this using Canva or other editing tools. You can still edit this using Printify tools. So you just have to simply add whatever you want to add here or replace whatever you want to replace. And then once done, you can now save this product. So basically, that's how easy it is. Just create an account in Printify, browse for any category like this one, wall art, and then design your wall art using Canva or other editing tool, and then upload it right here and then edit. Once done, you can now tap save, or you can now start selling this product. And that's how easy it is to upload wall art design on Printify. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.